This is one of the top sellers at Valencia Harbor, the Barbados, at Fort Myers' newest 55 and up community. As you step inside the Barbados, you're immediately welcomed by a wide open entry that flows seamlessly from the great room into the kitchen and dining area. This open concept design is filled with thoughtful details from clean lines to warm finishes, creating a space that feels both elevated and inviting. And just beyond, the primary suite offers a gracious size retreat, a true sanctuary with plenty of space. The club room is perfectly positioned to become whatever you dream: an entertainment lounge, media room, home office, or a relaxing escape. And then the home opens beautifully to the outdoors. Expansive sliding glass doors lead you to this stunning outdoor living area, blurring the line between inside and out, allowing natural light to flow effortlessly throughout this home. This is the Barbados at Valencia Harbor. Thoughtfully designed, incredible space, and a place to truly call home.